Hi everybody, this is week 1 assignment 2 and I'm going to go over what you need to be doing. What this is for is it's PBIS, which is our expectations and rewards and consequences for actions while you are a student at Dr. Mona Jane Middle School. So what you need to do is there are several, I think there's 5 videos. So if you you can click on this first one, and it says here that we have expectations and procedures. It has rewards and consequences, and it says click here to get videos. So if you click here, it is going to take you to YouTube, and there are 5 videos. Okay, so you have the week to get this done, so you may do it on day 2, period 2. That's what they're going to be doing while they are on campus. But basically, they were made by the administration so that you get an idea of what you are expected and the behavior and the performances that we expect. Once you have watched the 5 videos, you will then read and answer this discussion question. There's 4 different discussion questions. When you write an answer, you cannot see everybody else's answer until after you have put in your answer. So don't mess around and say yes and go in there and read everybody else's and then go ahead and resubmit it. The first one is the one that I'm going to be looking at, because then I know that you actually did the reflection. So you're going to do there's 4 questions, and you will do each one of them, and they are discussion questions, and then you just write the comment and I will be able to see them. If you have any questions, please let me know. I hope you have a great week.